Bran- branch of science related to feet, chiropody. Eustachian tube helps in equalizing the pressure on either sides of eardrum. Thalamus is located in brain. Pinna is the external part of ear. The right pulmonary artery is longer than the left. Complete digestion of fat takes place in small intestine. Cerebellum maintains posture and balance of human body. Upper part of the respiratory tract is provided with small hair-like structures called cilia. Fusion of male and female gametes form zygote. Hi brother, Jai Shri Ram. Hello, hello, hello. Hiccups in humans generally occur due to forceful downward shifting of the diaphragm. Part of eye which is responsible for conversion of image of an object into neural signals is optic nerve. Sweating or perspiration is nature's way of lowering the internal temperature of the body. Keratin is a protein which protects epithelial cells from damage. ठीक. Function of retina is to process the information gathered by photoreceptor cells and send it to brain to decide what the picture is. ठीक. A wound stops bleeding due to process of clot formation called coagulation. ठीक है. The pouch connected to the junction of the small intestine and large intestine is called cecum. ठीक. Hello, sir. How are you? किसकी तैयारी कर रहे हो? I am absolutely fine. I am preparing for exams related to Bihar, Miss Devika. Cementum covers the root of the tooth. Biceps does not have smooth muscles. Smooth muscles are found in iris of eye, ureters, and bronchi of lungs. Bronchi of lungs, ureters, and iris of eye have smooth muscles. Pituitary gland is found alone. Adrenal gland is found in pair. A person feeding only on rice and vegetable made up of potato will suffer from protein deficiency. Lymphocyte cells are formed in bone marrow. Insulin hormone is a peptide protein. Blood does not coagulate inside the body due to presence of heparin. Largest endocrine gland is thyroid. Largest living bird on earth is ostrich. Tusk of elephant is modified form of second incisor. Bats and dolphins use echolocation to find prey, predators, or obstacles. Vitamin C is not found in any animal food. Largest gland of human body is liver. Thymosin hormone is produced by thymus gland near heart. Good source of vitamin E is fresh vegetables. Insulin was discovered by Frederick Sanger. Some cells have changing shapes. Shape and size of cells are related to specific function. Liver breaks fat to produce cholesterol. Rate of stomach empty depends on type of food. Stomach acts as a temporary reservoir. There are two kinds of amylase enzyme. First is salivary amylase, also called ptyalin, and second is pancreatic amylase. Salivary amylase or ptyalin is produced by salivary glands. It helps in starch digestion in mouth and stomach. Pancreatic amylase is secreted by pancreas and it is released in small intestine. Lipase is produced by pancreas. Human stomach produces HCl acid. AB plus blood group is universal acceptor or recipient. Hypothalamus gland is the center of hunger, thirst, water balance, sleep, and body temperature. N2O, also called laughing gas or nitrous oxide, is used as anesthetics. About 70% of CO2 entering the erythrocytes react with water to form carbonic acid. Pulmonary artery contains deoxygenated blood. In arterial blood, hemoglobin is normally 97% saturated with oxygen. Blood, ligaments, and tendons are connective tissue. Renin is casein of milk or milk protein. Good boy. Thanks. Thanks, bro. Lipase helps in fat digestion. Amylase helps in starch digestion. Main purpose of WBC is to combat infection. Sexual reproductive organs of Aspergillus fungus are Antheridium and Ascogonium. Web portal DACnet DACNET is related to e-agriculture. Cowper's gland is part of male reproductive system. Epididymis is part of male reproductive system. Fallopian tube is part of female reproductive system. Loop of Henle is found in kidney. Ptyline enzyme is found in human saliva. A surge of luteinizing hormone stimulates ovulation in human females. A surge of luteinizing hormone stimulates ovulation, release of egg by ovaries in human females. Hemoglobin carries oxygen in blood. It contains iron. It imparts red color to the blood. Red color of the blood is due to hemoglobin. Buffer action of blood is slightly basic due to the presence of Cl chlorine ion Cl minus and bicarbonate ion HCO3 minus. Longitudinal waves can travel in all medium, solid, liquid, and gases. When two or more waves traverse the same medium, the displacement of any element of the medium is algebraic sum of the displacements due to each wave. Response of the ear to sound of increasing intensity is approximately logarithmic. Axons, Schwann cells, and smooth muscles are part of nerves. Energy is required for maintenance of life. It is obtained by a process called metabolism. Potassium is involved in control of water content of blood. Potassium is involved in control of water content of blood. Fibrinogen is converted into fibrin by thrombokinase. Vermiform appendix is a vestigial organ. Tracking of people by trained dogs is based on recognition of carboxylic acid in sweat from feet. Bile duct bile duct transports bile. Liver produces and secretes bile. सब मच्छर है भाई. Tracking of people by vermiform appendix is a vestigial organ. Tracking of people by trained dogs is based on recognition of carboxylic acid in sweat from feet. Bile duct transports bile. Liver produces and secretes bile. Cholecystokinin is a hormone which, when injected in human body, decreases appetite. Cholecystokinin, 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 cholecystokinin is a hormone which, when injected in human body, decreases appetite. Athletes with higher proportion of red fibers in their muscles are better equipped for swimming. Athletes with higher proportion of red fibers in their muscles are better equipped for swimming. Hypothalamus is part of brain. Hypothalamus is part of brain. Longest and strongest bone in human is femur. Longest and strongest bone in human is femur. Number of cervical vertebrae in human body is 7. Number of cervical vertebrae in human body is 7. Thyroid gland is an endocrine gland which requires iodine to synthesize a particular hormone whose deficiency cause goiter disease. Central nervous system is made up of brain and spinal cord. Diaphragm is arched in normal expiration. Diaphragm is arched in normal expiration. ठीक है भाई. Pancreas is a part of both digestive and endocrine system. Pancreas is a part of both digestive and endocrine system. Pepsin is an enzyme which takes part in protein digestion inside stomach. Protein digesting enzyme from pancreas are released into small intestine. Protein digesting enzyme Protein digesting enzyme from pancreas are released into small intestine. Protein digesting enzyme from pancreas are released into small intestine. Pepsin is an enzyme which takes part protein digestion inside stomach.